Well, summer is a great time to enjoy some fun diffuser blends, and I can help you get rid of those toxins in your home and enjoy the sweet sense of summer. You definitely want to stick around. I'll give you a really easy, no fuss diffuser blend for you. Be sure to hit the subscribe and bell notification and also the like. Okay, I love using the Roam diffuser from doTERRA. As you can see behind on my piano, there are absolutely no cords. You can charge it and then roam with it throughout your house or even in the outdoors. So you can take the beautiful scents of summer anywhere with you. So I love the Roam diffuser. All right, the first diffuser blend I want to give you today is called Sea Breeze. 3 drops of wild orange, 3 drops of lime, and 1 drop of spearmint. This smells amazing. It's uplifting to the mood and also calming and yet energizing all at the same time. It smells amazing. You're gonna absolutely love it. The next diffuser blend is called Summer Nights. 3 drops of lime, 2 drops of sandalwood, and 1 drop of ylang ylang. Now this one is sweet and invigorating, but also calming and grounding, and you can even use it in your bedroom. You're gonna love the way that this smells. Be sure to go to roxysaran.com if you're ready to hop into essential oils with us at roxysaran.com. I would love to help you right there. Okay, another diffuser blend for you that's amazing for the outdoors or if you need to repel those bugs. 3 drops of lavender, 3 drops of lemongrass, and 2 drops of citronella. Again, I love the Roam diffuser because you can charge it and then take it with you outdoors if you're having a picnic or just enjoying maybe an outside meal and you would like to repel those pesky bugs. You're gonna love that diffuser blend. Okay, another one for you. If you like a little bit more citrusy and not such a florally aroma, you're gonna love this one. It's called Lemonade. 4 drops of lemon, 1 drop of basil, and 1 drop of ginger. If you are ready to hop in and get started with doTERRA essential oils, I would love to help you right at roxysaran.com. Okay, another diffuser blend for the summer called Splash. So 3 drops of tangerine, 3 drops of lemon, and 1 drop of ginger. So it's sweet and tangy. I love the way this one smells. It's called Splash. Okay, the next one is called Passion fruit. Well, 3 drops of passion essential oil, 3 drops of grapefruit, and 2 drops of wild orange. So this one will help you get some things done if you have some hustle that you need to get done. Maybe clean a closet or clean out those seasonal clothes, right? Or something like that. It'll help give you that energy boost that you need, but also smells so amazing. All right, well, I promised you at the beginning I would give you a no fuss hack. And so doTERRA's used to have a very limited time item called Citrus Bloom. Well, now it is a permanent item with doTERRA. It's already made into a blend for you called Citrus Bloom. It is absolutely amazing. It's one of our top favorites. I have yet to meet anybody who has not fallen in love with Citrus Bloom. So it is called the Springtime Blend, and it has wild orange, grapefruit, lavender, Roman chamomile, and magnolia. So lots of florals and citruses mixed together, calming and soothing, but it smells amazing. So if you're not ready to do all of the fuss with all the other blends, check out Citrus Bloom, and you can get that right at roxysaran.com. Be sure to hit the subscribe and bell notification and also the like.